65 years old? Yes. That's your grandmother? Your grandmother or your grandfather? Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, all right. Look at these two birds. Do they look like they're different birds?
Yes.
They are not different birds.
They're just different colors.
They are the same birds. Do you know what kind they are? You remember?
No.
Eclectus. These are Eclectus parrots. They are the same bird. This is the papa bird, and this is the mama bird. Like the cardinals here in America, you see the cardinals. What color is the papa?
Red.
Red.
Bright red.
And what color is the mama?
Kind of brownish.
Kind of brownish, yes.
Because the papa wants to attract the mama because the papa wants attraction.
Yes. Papas are like that, I'm telling you. This bird is the papa bird, and he flies through the jungle. Now watch when he spreads his wings. What does he look like? A flower. Doesn't he look like a flower? He looks like a flower. So that's like camouflage, right? So he flies through the jungle and he collects food, and the mama bird only stays in the nest, high above the canopy of the jungle. What's the canopy? Anybody know? Yes. Trees, where the trees come together. High above the canopy of the jungle in Indonesia, where these birds come from, are the ancient trees. There's not very many of them. So the Eclectus have decided that they are going to nest in the ancient trees in Indonesia. So the female stays in the tree. So the female is the mommy, right?
Do they have any babies?
No, they don't have any babies because they're not old enough. These birds can live to be 65 years old. Now Lucy is my best dead bird. Here we go. Good dead bird. She'll play dead bird. Put your hands together like this.